In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments from the Contact tab in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a contact, choose the best payment option, send a request, and track the result all from one place. Start by opening the contact you want to bill. Log into your GoHighLevel account. Click Contacts from the left menu and select the specific person or company. If you have a long list, use the search bar to find the right record. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got the correct contact so the request goes to the right inbox or phone. Inside the contact's profile, switch to the Payments tab. Here, you'll see options like Invoices, Collect Payment, and depending on your plan and enabled features, Payment Links. Think of Invoices as a more detailed, itemized bill. Collect Payment as a quick request for a specific amount, and Payment Links as shareable checkout links you can send or post when needed. The choices you see may vary based on your subscription and what you've turned on in settings. If you need a full itemized bill, create an invoice. Click Create Invoice, then add the product or service name, the price, and the quantity. If applicable, include taxes or discounts. Clear descriptions help customers understand exactly what they're paying for and reduce back and forth. When you're ready, click Send Invoice. The contact will automatically receive a payment link by email or SMS so they can pay securely from their device. If speed is the priority, use Collect Payment. Click Collect Payment, enter the payment amount, include a short description and any relevant product details, choose the payment method, and send the request link. This is ideal for one-off charges, deposits, or quick follow-ups without building a full invoice. Before you can collect any money, make sure a payment gateway is connected. You can use providers like Stripe or PayPal. To connect Stripe, go to Settings, Open Integrations, click Connect Stripe, then log in and authorize the connection. Once it's linked, your payment options will appear where you send requests. When the customer pays, they can use a credit or debit card and, if previously saved, a stored payment method. Receipts are sent automatically. You can track every payment in the contact's profile, in the payments dashboard, and, if you're using opportunities, within your pipeline as well. One final tip, you can securely save customer payment methods for subscriptions and future charges, as long as you have their permission. This keeps renewals and repeat payments smooth and predictable. That's the workflow for collecting payments directly from the Contact tab in GoHighLevel.